Ganon, kailangan niya magtulong-tulong tayo. Kaya siya pumunta rito po. Yung mensahe po ng Japanese Prime Minister, klaradong patama sa pagiging agresibo ngayon, the aggression na ginagawa ng China dito po sa West Philippine Sea. Napakaganda mga kababayan ng naging resulta ng pagbisita dito sa ating bansa ng Japanese Prime Minister. Bakit niya Mr. Maravillas? Ito ngayon ang sabi dito sa balita. Kishida bears renewed commitment to defend a free and open Indo-Pacific. Tutulungan po tayo ng gobyerno ng Japan para hindi makaporma yung mga Chinese dito sa West Philippine Sea. Yung bullying, pagsasamantala nila dito sa atin po. Totoo ba naman anya Mr. Maravillas yung mga sinasabi ng Japanese Prime Minister? Ibahin po natin mga kababayan yung mga Japanese. Ang mga Japanese po may isang salita parang yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Bagong Pilipinas, bagong mukha. Diba? May prinsipyo, may isang salita. O, ganon din po yung mga Japanese. Hindi tulad ng mga Chinese po. Iba yung mga sinasabi sa ginagawa. Ayan po yung naging mensahe niya sa harap ng Congress. Joint session ng Kongreso po. Sabi diyan, Japan Prime Minister Kishida take heart-to-heart ties to new heights. Tapos yung kanilang Navy, mga kababayan, nakipag-usap din sa ating Coast Guard. Sabi diyan sa balita, para sa regional maritime security situation and reaffirm the Philippine Coast Guard, Japanese Coast Guard partnership in capability development and personal exchange. Di ba napakaganda pa? Ayan pa ang galing po mga kababayan. Yan po salute to you mga Japanese officials. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagbisita rito. Yan po. As leaders of like-minded states, we affirm our commitment to peaceful negotiation to resolve maritime conflicts. But before ko mga kababayan ibigay sa inyo yung full story, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated po sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video. At huwag na rin po ninyo na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unlad ng Bagong Pilipinas. At para sa pag-unlad ng Bagong Pilipinas, mga kababayan, kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng malinis at spacious fitness gym, visit us at Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab car rental with our brand new 2023 model Toyota Innova galing pong Japan. Hindi po Japanese, hindi po Chinese made yung vehicle natin. Accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL and Cebu Pacific, and bills payment for Meralco Bills, PLDT at iba pa. Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. Para sa inquiries po ninyo, hanapin lang yung aking anak, Jelon Maravillas. Contact number niya 0966-802-0949. Ayan po mga kababayan, Colossal Fitness Gym and Padangat rent a car, grab car, and bills payment. Nandyan po yung aming gym. Occupied namin pati yung roof deck. Kaya kami yung pinakang malaki dito sa Albay. Ayan po mga kababayan. Ito naman yung aming Toyota Innova para sa rent-a-car business. Ayos na ayos po. Para convenient po yung inyong pagta-travel. Ayan po yung aking anak. Ayos. So, balik tayo sa ating kwento. So, ito yung naging commitment sa atin ng Japanese Prime Minister sa kanyang pong pagharap sa Kongreso. Joint session ng Kongreso. O sabi diyan, Japanese Prime Minister Kishida Fumio underscored before Philippine Congress his renewed commitment to defend a free and open Indo-Pacific. Madaling sabi, tutulong po sila sa ating defense. So sabi diyan sa balita, this as the foreign leader expressed worries that international order based on the rule of law is under serious threat. The international community anya is currently at a historic turning point, and the international order based on the rule of law that we have taken for granted is under serious threat. Sabi niya sa harap ng Kongreso kanina, the international community anya is also facing complex and interrelated challenges such as climate change and infectious diseases. Under these circumstances, we cannot afford anya to have the world be divided based on ideologies and values. Ganon, kailangan anya magtulong-tulong tayo. Kaya siya pumunta rito po. Yung mensahe po ng Japanese Prime Minister, klaradong patama sa pagiging agresibo ngayon, the aggression na ginagawa ng China dito po sa West Philippine Sea. So sabi po ng Japanese leader, during my visit to the United States in January, I expressed my strong determination to defend a free and open Indo-Pacific. Also in March, I announced a new plan to realize the free and open Indo-Pacific. Underlying this plan is our determination to lead the international community toward cooperation rather than division in confrontation, and to defend freedom in the rule of law at all costs. Ganon, kaya pirma mga kababayan ng isang kasunduan yung Japanese Prime Minister sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos para sa tinatawag na defense cooperation and military training at yung pagkakaroon ng tulad ng visiting forces agreement with America, mga kababayan. So ito na yung hinihintay natin para masupla natin yung masamang plano ng China dito po sa West Philippine Sea. So sabi niya, today I stand here to share with you my renewed commitment to further advance these efforts and to share with you my thoughts on how to do so. Kishida further vowed that Japan will promote cooperation in line with the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific. We will work with the ASEAN to ensure that many countries support and cooperate for the principle and activities set forth, such as openness, transparency, inclusiveness, and rules-based framework. Pag nabanggit po yung rules-based framework, ito po yung pagrespeto ng desisyon tulad ng UNCLOS, yung arbitral ruling dito po sa West Philippine Sea, na yung territory dito na pinapasok po ng mga Chinese, atin po, dinesisyonan na siya ng United Nations Law of the Sea. So, sabi ng Japanese leader, the Constitution of the Philippines stipulates that Congress shall give highest priority to protecting and enhancing the rights of all people to human dignity. In order for everyone to live with dignity, it is essential to build a peaceful and a stable world. From this standpoint, I confirmed with President Marcos during his visit to Japan in February that we would work together to maintain and strengthen the free and open international order based on the rule of law. Payag mga kababayan ni Fumio Kishida. So, sabi dito sa balita, Philippine-Japan worry of China's attempt to change its status quo by force in East and South China Seas. Parehas kasi yung situation mga kababayan. Kahit yung Japan may problema din po sa China. So talagang i-engage ng China, ng Japan yung Pilipinas. Same po kasi yung problema na kinakaharap natin. Yumabang kasi yung mga Chinese matapos po na maging superpower na po yung kanilang bansa. So, kailangan talaga na magtulong-tulong tayo. Buong ASEAN countries, Japan, South Korea, Australia, Amerika, pati yung European Union. Kaya yung Amerika din, mga kababayan, nag-resume na rin ang kanilang freedom of navigation operations dito sa South China Sea. So, sabi dyan po, The commander of the U.S. 7th Fleet Public Affairs said the USS Dewi asserted navigation rights and freedoms in the South China Sea near the Spratly Islands consistent with the international law by challenging restrictions on innocent passage imposed by China, Taiwan, and Vietnam. Sabi niyan, U.S. forces operate in the South China Sea on a daily basis and routinely operate in close coordination with allied countries that share the commitment to uphold a free and open international order that promotes security and prosperity. So nag-resume na po sila ng freedom of navigation. And later on mga kababayan, magiging regular na po yung pagpapatrolya. Itong mga warships ng Amerika, plus Japan, plus South Korea, plus Australia, and other like-minded countries po. Ayan man lang po mga kababayan. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.